How to make a photo a wallpaper on your Android device. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how you can easily create a wallpaper from your photo. Let's just jump right in. Open up Gallery or any other photo application on your device. Then you need to find a picture or video that you want to set uh, as your wallpaper. So I'll just go over here on my folder from wallpapers, and I can just go ahead and select any one of them. So I'll just do this one for now. Tap on the three dots at the top right, then you'll have an option to set it as wallpaper. Tap on that and you'll have multiple pop-ups here. The first one is to set it as wallpaper on lock screen, then home screen, then both lock and home screen. You can also do this on always on display as well as call background. So I'll just do this on home screen for now. Tap on home screen and now you've successfully set up your wallpaper. You can adjust it around if you want, but I'll just leave it here. Then you can also add frames if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just tap on done. And if I go over to my home screen, the new wallpaper will be applied. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll catch you guys in the next